And I think your topic is very good, and it's a good topic to deliver your C1 speech that you. At first, you offer your basic information in the beginning. Yeah, it's good that you know it's just feel funny know you that we can know you more. And I think you share your military life and your journey and something else in your life that you have done that is good topic. And I have some conversation that it's the same game as Erin, that the ratio of the screen, that is too wide, and we cannot see some words, right? Yeah, because next time maybe you have to choose you have to choose mention the be careful of the ratio of screen has to change to 4:3. Yeah, because the size is 4:3, not 16:9. Yeah. Careful of this, and I think you have to push more emphasis on your connection between the movie and yourself, because your topic, your speech topic is movie, and I cannot hear some more what connection between the movie and yourself. Although I like Inside Out too. Yeah, it's interesting and motivate and impressive movie. And all in all, it's a good speech, and I like your PPT picture. They are beautiful and awesome. And congratulations that you complete your C1 speech. Thank you.
Hi, Jack. I'm Jason.
Hey, hi.
And I think your speech is very nice. And I only have one suggestion, that I think you can. You can put more emotion in your speech. Let your speaking tone more various. For example, when you mentioned the movie Inside Out, and there are many characters like joy or angry, and you can, put your emotion inside. Joy, angry, sad, something like that, and it will be more interesting. And for example, when you are describing enjoy the splendid sky of the night star, and you can slow down, and to feed that scene. Yes. Okay, TME.